Okay, I'm going to do some other word problems because those pure math word problems like these stupid things, they have nothing to do with the real world, especially with their A's and their B's. I'd rather do something like this because this is relevant to the real world. A ball is dropped from a height of 10 meters. Each time it strikes the ground, it bounces up 75% of its previous heights. How many bounces does the ball need before the bounce is less than 20 centimeters high? Well, first of all, you got to remember centimeters, meters, how many centimeters in a meter, and all that kind of stuff, and make sure that you use the same units. Secondly, 75%, that means that R equals 0.75. That's so easy. So for this one, it starts at 10 meters. I'm going to do everything in centimeters, so that's 1000 centimeters. So 1000, of course, is 1000. That's its first height. The next one is 75% of that. The next one, blah, 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 and then it's going to be less than 20. Now, we want to know when is it going to be less than 20. Well, we can trial and error that. We know that if 75% of something, 20, let's just do this calculation here, 20 equals 0.75 of what? Well, we divide by 0.75 and we get 26.666. Okay, so 20 is 75% of this, right? So if we get to a term here that is greater than this, we know the next term will still be greater than 20. And if we get to a term that is less than this, we know the next term is going to be less than 20. It's just a way of making sure that we are in the right ballpark here. So, our formula, our good friend. I think we should just try some trial and error here. So let's try 10, for instance. So 1000 equals, whoops, sorry. A10 equals 1000 times 0.75 to the 9th. Well, let's try that out. Let's see, 0.75 to the 9th equals 0.07508 times 1000 equals 75. So it's not going to be 10. Let's try 12. A12 equals 1000 times 0.75 to the 11th power. So let's clear that. 0.75 to the 11th power equals that, times 1000 equals that. 42. Let's try 14. Because let's see, if we're 42, 75% of that's around 30. You know what? We're going to have to go to 15. Let's try 15. Yeah, 15. Okay. So we'll clear that. And 1000 times 0.75 to the 14th power if it's the 15th term. So 0.75 to the 14th power is 0.0178 times 1000 is 17.8. And I said it was going to be less than 20. I'm confident that that A14 would be greater than 20, given that A15 is 17.81. So the answer, A15.